What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to research a prospect before a call automatically using Claude. So let's get started. To research a prospect before a call automatically using Claude, we're going to start by creating a skill that will be responsible for researching our prospects. So in Claude, I'm going to click on Customize and click on Skills right here. Click on Create a Skill. Then click on Create with Claude. And here I'm going to hit Enter to describe the skill that would like Claude to create for us. Here we're going to describe our skill and tell Claude create a skill that pulls prospects from this list. So here's where we're going to list our prospect that would like Claude to research. This can be a spreadsheet or a list of prospects from ClickUp, Monday, or any CRM. So we'll pull prospects from our spreadsheet where we'll have their name, company name, and their website URL. Then researches each prospect using publicly available information to generate structured pre-call brief, including company overview, products or services, target audience, recent news or updates, likely pain points, opportunities, personalized talking points, and 5 discovery questions. Then writes all the results back into a new Google Sheet with 1 row per prospect and clearly label columns for each field, and returns only the shareable Google Sheets link for review. So I'll hit enter and give Claude a second or two for it to create our skill for us. So here you can see it successfully created our skill. You can see the skill is ready, and here is what it does after it has been triggered. So it's going to get a list of leads from a spreadsheet. Then it's going to research each prospect and then generate overviews, services, audience, recent news, pain points, opportunities, talking points, and five discovery questions. Then it's going to output this data to a new spreadsheet and provide the link. This is incredible. So now to install our skill, all we have to do is just click on download right here to download it. And now to install it, I'll click on customize right here, click on skills, and here I'm going to upload the zip file. You can see we uploaded our zip file right here, and here we can preview our skill. You can go line by line, previewing the skill to ensure that it does exactly what you'd like it to do. Here. Now, if there's information that you'd like to include or exclude from the skill, you can click on the 3 dots right here and click on Edit with Claude to edit the skill using Claude. But since our skill works perfectly here, we're going to use our skill to research a bunch of prospects. So I'll search for the skill right here. Then we're going to tell Claude, use this skill to pull prospects from a spreadsheet. So now this is a spreadsheet right here with a list of prospects. So here we have their company URL, their names, and their company name. So we like to perform research for these prospects automatically using our skill. So we can tell Claude, use this skill to pull prospects from our spreadsheet right here and do a light research, maximum of 2 searches per prospect, and generate a concise pre-call brief with company overview, products or services, target audience, recent updates, pain points, opportunities, talking points, and 5 discovery questions. Then write the results as a row in a Google Sheet with columns, prospect name, company name, website URL, company overview, products or services, target audience, recent updates, pain points, opportunities, talking points, and discovery questions. Do not create files, docs, or CSVs. Only write or append to Google Sheet and return only the Google Sheet link for review. Then, so here, I'll hit enter for it to perform research on our leads over here. Let's give it a second or two for it to complete the research. So here you can see it successfully did the research. Now 7 prospects over here and added research data to a spreadsheet. This is a spreadsheet right here. To preview it, I'll click on open link right here to open the spreadsheet. Here you can see successfully researched our prospects and added the research data to our spreadsheet over here. This is incredible. So you can see the list of our prospects, their prospect's name, their company name, and their company's website URL. You can see the company overview research data, product or service that they offer, the target audience, recent news or updates, likely pain points, opportunities that we can offer these prospects, personalized talking points, and the discovery questions, total of 5 of them. So you can see it went ahead and did a comprehensive research on each company. And here you can see the services that each company offers. Here is their target audience. Here are recent news about each company, likely pain points that you can try and hit, opportunities for us to offer these leads, personalized talking points here, and the 5 discovery questions we can ask our prospects in the call. This is really amazing. So we successfully did a comprehensive research on our leads and added the research to a spreadsheet right here using the skill that we created right here in Claude. So we can try researching a couple of more prospects using our skill right here in Claude. So now to do a research on different leads, I've updated our spreadsheet with new leads right here. Here are their company URLs, their owners, and their company names right here. So now to do a comprehensive research on these leads right here using our skill, we're going to reuse our prompt right here to make sure that it's using our skill. Then we're going to tell it use the skill to pull prospects from our spreadsheet, then generate precise pre-call briefs with company overview, services, target audience, recent updates, pain points, opportunities, talking points, and 5 discovery questions. Then output the results into a spreadsheet and return only the link review. To do a research on our new leads over here using our skill, I'll hit enter. Let's give Claude a few seconds for it to perform a comprehensive research on our leads. So here you can see it successfully did a comprehensive research on our new leads right here and added the lead and the research data to a new spreadsheet right here. To preview the spreadsheet right here, I'll open this link. When we open our new spreadsheet, here you can see our list of leads with their research right here. So you can see the prospect's name, company name, the website URL, the company overview, products or services that they offer, the target audience, recent updates, pain points, opportunities that we can try to automate for these prospects, talking points. Here you can see all 5 discovery questions. This is incredible. So did a very comprehensive research and gave an overview of each of our prospects company. Here are the services that each company offers. You can see right here. Here are their target audience. Here are their recent updates. You can see over here. Here are their pain points. You can try and solve for these prospects. Here are the available opportunities. You can try and help these prospects. It's also outlining our talking points right here for each prospect, then listing 5 discovery questions for each of our prospects or leads. This is incredible. So we successfully did a comprehensive research on these leads, then added the leads with their pre-call briefs to the spreadsheet over here automatically using the skill that we created right here in Claude, and try researching a couple of more prospects, then generate the pre-call briefs and add the pre-call brief to a spreadsheet similar to this one right here. So now to do a comprehensive research on our list of prospects, in our spreadsheet right here, I've updated our spreadsheet with a bunch of leads. So here are their company URLs, here are their names, here are their company names. To do research on these leads before it sales calls automatically using Claude, we're going to reuse our prompt right here. And I'm going to make sure that it's using our skill. So we're going to tell it use the skill to pull our leads and generate the pre-call brief that will be added to a spreadsheet. Return only the link to review the pre-call brief. To do that here, I'm going to hit enter. Now let's give Claude a second or two for it to research our leads and add the research to our spreadsheet. You can see it successfully did a comprehensive research on our leads and then added research data to our spreadsheet, this spreadsheet right here, to preview the pre-call briefs that is generated for 6 prospects. I'm going to open this link. Now when we open our spreadsheet, you can see our list of leads, 6 leads right here. So you can see the prospect name, company name, the website URL, company overview data that is generated for us over here, product or service that they offer, target audience, recent updates, pain points, opportunities, talking points, and the discovery questions that is generated for each prospect. Right here, this is incredible. So you can see comprehensive research that Claude did on each company. Right here, and here is the product or service that they offer, and the target audience. Here, and here are the recent updates we can use to congratulate them or compliment them during the call. Here are their pain points. You can try and solve for these prospects. Here are the opportunities that we can help automate for these leads. Here are a couple of talking points for each lead, and then here are the list of discovery questions we can ask each leader during the call. This is incredible. We successfully did a comprehensive research of these leads automatically and added the research data here to the spreadsheet using the skill that we created here in Claude. Let's try researching and generating pre-call briefs for one last bunch of leads. To generate pre-call briefs for last batch of leads, I've gone ahead and updated our spreadsheet with 10 more leads right here. Here are their company URLs, here are their names, here are the company's names. So now to perform a research on these leads and generate a pre-call brief, it's going to be added to a spreadsheet similar to this one using our skill in Claude. We're going to reuse our previous prompts, paste it right here, make sure that we're using our skill, and tell it to pull the prospects from our spreadsheet right here and generate the pre-call briefs and add to a Google Sheet and output only the link to review the pre-call brief that we will have generated for our leads. So now to generate the to research our leads and generate the pre-call brief, I'm going to hit enter right here. Here you can see Claude successfully generated our pre-call briefs for 10 prospects. We added right here. So it did a comprehensive research on each of our leader that it got from our sheet. Then generated a summary of the research. Then added research to our spreadsheet. To preview the spreadsheet here, I'm going to open this link. Now when we open our spreadsheet, here you can see our leads right here with the summary, with the research summary that we generated using Claude. So you can see their prospect, their names, company name, their website URLs, company overview, product or service that they are selling, target audience, recent news, likely pain points, opportunities that we can help these leads, personalized talking points, and the discovery questions right here. Total of 5 discovery questions. It's incredible. So you can see the overview of their companies that we generated using Claude. Then here's the product or service that they sell. Here. Here's the target audience. Here. Other recent news or updates of each lead right here. Here are the likely pain points you can try and solve for these leads. And here are the opportunities that we can help automate for these leads. So generate personalized talking points right here. Then it generated 5 discovery questions for each of our leads here. This is incredible. So we successfully researched our prospects, generated pre-call briefs for our list of leads right here that we added to the spreadsheet, and added the pre-call briefs to our spreadsheet over here. We added the prospect name, the company name, the website URL, company overview, product or service that they sell, target audience, recent news or updates, likely pain points, opportunities, personalized talking points, and discovery questions right here. Automatically using the skill that we created right here in Claude. This is how you can automatically research a list of prospects, add it to a spreadsheet similar to this one right here, and generate pre-call briefs for each prospect. Then add the pre-call briefs to a spreadsheet similar to this one right here, with the prospect name, company name, website URL, company overview, product or service that they sell, target audience, recent news, likely pain points, opportunities, personalized talking points, and discovery questions. Using the skill that we created right here in Claude. Now, if you'd like help automating manual tasks that you're currently doing in your business or your agency, just use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details on how I can help automate those manual tasks for you. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and be on the lookout for the next video that will be dropping soon. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.